Before we begin, like, share and subscribe for more credible news. The NCERT's decision to include academics with links to the RSS, ABVP and BJP in a panel rewriting class 11th and 12th political science textbooks has triggered a political row. Opposition parties and student groups have accused the government of bringing RSS ideology into school education. The controversy follows the reconstitution of the NCERT textbook development team. The panel has been tasked with incorporating themes such as cultural rootedness and Indian knowledge systems. At least 4 members have documented links directly or indirectly with the ABVP, BJP or Sangh affiliated institutions. Congress leader Jairam Ramesh termed the move Sanghikaran of textbooks. Party MP Syed Naseer Hussain questioned the political independence of the process and urged NCERT to keep textbook development academically rigorous, politically independent, and rooted in India's constitutional ethos. NSUI President Vinod Jakhar said his organization would oppose what he called BJP RSS interference in education and raise the issue across campuses. The government and NCERT have not been quoted here as responding to the opposition's allegations.